In this video, I'm going to answer the top 3 questions. My students ask me about Python. What is Python? What can you do with Python? And why is it so popular? In other words, what does it do? Python is one of the world's fastest growing and most popular programming language, not just among software engineers, but also amongst mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, networking engineers, and even kids. Because it's a very beginner-friendly programming language. So people from different disciplines use Python for a variety of different tasks, such as data analysis and visualization, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation. In fact, this is one of the big uses of Python amongst people who are not software developers. If you constantly have to do boring, repetitive tasks, such as copying files and folders around, renaming them, uploading them to a server, you can easily write a Python script to automate all that and save your time. For example, if you continuously have to work with Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, CS files, download websites, and parse them, you can automate all that stuff with Python. So you don't have to be a software developer to use Python. You could be an accountant, a mathematician, or scientist. Also use Python to build web, mobile and desktop application as well as software testing or even hacking. So Python is a multi-purpose language. Now if you have some programming experience you may say, we can do all this stuff with other programming languages, so what's big deal with Python? Here are a few reasons with Python you can solve complex problems in less time with fewer lines of code. Let's say we want to extract the first 3 letters of the text hello world. This is the code we have to write in C#, this is how we do it in JavaScript, and here's how we do it in Python. See how short and clean the language is? And just a beginning. Python makes a lot of things really easy with a simple yet powerful syntax. Here are a few other reasons Python is so popular. It's a high-level language, so you don't have to worry about complex tasks such as memory management, like you do in C++. It's cross-platform, which means you can build and run Python applications on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a huge community, so whenever you get stuck, there is someone out there to help. It has a large ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools, which means whatever you want to do it already has been done before because Python has been around for over 20 years. So in a nutshell, Python is a multi-purpose language with a simple, clean, and beginner-friendly syntax. All of that means Python is awesome. Technically everything you do with Python you can do with other programming languages. But Python's simplicity and elegance has made it grow way more than other programming languages. That's why it's the #1 language employers are looking for. So whether you're a programmer or an absolute beginner. In fact, the average Python developer earns a whopping $116,000 a year. If you found this video helpful, please support my hard work by linking and sharing it with others. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel AnalystsPlaybook.